Hello and welcome to the EVS training video from within the Esports arena at the University of Staffordshire. This video will cover the use of the EVS in both Gallery 1 and Gallery 2. EVS allows us to create and play out replay clips as well as compiling highlight montages during your live program by using the industry standard LSM via remote panels. Firstly, let's power on the units. Power on the X-Client mini PC under the monitor and wait for the system to load. Then launch the LSM via software from the desktop. Secondly, power on the LSM via remote control panel on the desk using the power switch at the back of the unit. When prompted, check the IP address on the touchscreen displays the same address as printed on the bottom of the panel. Then press connect. This will then correctly launch into the system. Every time you record something, you're recording all 4 video inputs at the same time. These are called angles. These 4 angles are saved onto a clip. You can record up to 10 clips into what is called a bank. A bank will hold up to 10 clips and each bank is stored onto a page, which can hold 10 banks. There are 10 pages in total. The 10th bank is known as Bank 0. This is used to store playlists, which are curated collections of clips which you can then use to compile highlight reels. We'll cover more about this later. Firstly, at the remote control panel, you'll find a sheet detailing shortcuts which you might find useful. We'll cover many of these in this video. Now let's start to use the kit. There are 2 channel control modes on the LSM via. One is Program Preview, the other is Multi-Program. For this video series, we'll be using the Program Preview mode. If you do wish to change this mode in the future, this can be altered using the touchscreen. For further instructions on using the 2 channel control modes, please see EVS's LSM via user manual, which can be found online. In this demonstration, we have 4 camera feeds shown at the top of the screen. We'll use the buttons A, B, C and D to change between each camera angle. This changes either in the program screen shown on the left or the preview screen shown on the right. To choose which window this changes in, press either PGM for program or PRV for preview. Treat program as your main output, with preview being the clip you may want to show next. If you want to change what's being shown in program, press the program button and switch the camera angles by pressing the A, B, C or D buttons. If you want to change what's on the preview monitor, press the PRV button and press the same A, B, C and D buttons again. To select both program and preview, simply press the currently flashing program or preview button. This is useful to rewind different camera angles at the same time. To instantly replay a clip, first use the jog wheel on the right hand side to rewind the video to the point just before you wish to play it. Then press play or slightly jolt the T-bar to its highest position. This will start to play back the clip. To slow down the replay, pull the T-bar further down. To go back to the live video, which is known as the record train, press the EE button, which means end to end. This is useful to remember as you'll be using it often during your productions. Next, let's talk about saving these clips so that we can record them later. Firstly, let's use the jog wheel to rewind back to the point you want to cover, then choose which angle, A, B, C or D, has the best view and press the in button. This will create an in point, which is where the clip recording will start. Then jog to the end of the clip and select the out button. This has now marked your clip. To choose where to save this, firstly press Shift and Page and then the appropriate F key to select a page. Then choose a bank by pressing Shift and one of the F keys. You can skip this step if you were already in the correct page and bank. The touchscreen will show with the current page and bank numbers. Keep a note of these as you may need to recall your clips in the future. To save the marked clip, simply select an unlit F key. Any unlit buttons are empty and you can record to them. Green F keys already have a clip saved to them. To recall a clip that you've recorded, first ensure you're in the correct page and bank, then press the correct highlighted F key. When selected, it turns red and this loads up the video with your selected preview or program bus. Then, either jolt the T-bar to its highest position as shown here, or simply press the play button. Moving the T-bar further down will control the speed of the playback as shown as a percentage on screen. As each clip has recorded all 4 angles, you can change the angle being played by pressing keys A, B, C or D. When the clip finishes playing, it will pause on the last frame. If you want it to continue playing, you can temporarily remove the in and out points by selecting your clip again and then pressing Shift and Return, then play your clip again. To delete a clip, ensure you're in the correct page and bank. Then select the Clear button followed by the relevant F key. Any clips that are currently loaded into the output, i.e. when the button is red, can't be deleted, so select another clip by using the F key or return to the record train by pressing EE, then you can delete the original clip. Next, let's look at playlists. A playlist will allow us to save clips together to create a montage or highlights reel within your show. You can add clips from any page or bank and copy them to a specific playlist. To do this, go to the playlist bank by going to the appropriate page and selecting bank 0 by pressing Shift and F10. From there, select an unhighlighted F key to create a new playlist or select an existing yellow playlist if one has already been made for you. A message will appear on the touchscreen, select Confirm, and your playlist should now be highlighted in red on the appropriate F key and displayed in the top left of the touchscreen. We would recommend doing this step before your event starts so you're ready to add your clips straight away. Next, go back to your chosen clip by accessing the correct page and bank. Select the clip using the F key and press Enter. The touchscreen will now display the clip ID next to your chosen playlist. You can repeat this process by selecting any other clips and pressing Enter. These clips will then be added to the bottom of the playlist. You can add the same clip with a different angle by selecting the clip, choosing your angle by pressing A, B, C or D, and then pressing Enter to add to the playlist. Note the clip ID now has a different letter at the end indicating the different angle. Now it's time to play your playlist. To do this, select the playlist using the relevant F key whilst in the playlist bank. Then press the playlist button 3 times. The first press accesses the playlist on the screen. The second press selects the final clip, and the third jumps to the first clip. Your playlist is now ready for playback. The current and next clips in the playlist are shown on the touchscreen as red, being Program, and green, being Preview. The monitors update to reflect this too. To play the first clip, jolt the T-bar all the way to the top or press the play button. You can still control the clip speed by moving the T-bar further down. You get a clip remain duration shown at the bottom of the program screen and your entire playlist remain duration at the top. Further functionality that can be applied within playlists can be found in additional videos. The link can be found in this video's description. If you wish to delete a clip within a playlist, first press the playlist button, then press Browse, and use the jog wheel to move up or down the list to select the clip you wish to delete. Then press the Delete button. To delete a playlist, go to your playlist bank by selecting Shift and F10, then press Clear, followed by the playlist F key you want to delete. A Delete Playlist confirmation window appears on the touchscreen. Press Confirm or press Enter on the control panel. As a reminder, EE will always take you back to the live video or record train, ready for you to start creating new clips or playlists. Once your event has finished, to power down, turn off the remote panel by turning off the switch at the right-hand side back of the unit. Then shut down the xClient Mini PC by pressing the Windows key on the keyboard, select the power icon at the top of the screen, and then shut down. Further videos with tips and tricks can be found using the link in the description.